Why most small business websites fail to convert and how to fix yours fast. Your website might be online, but is it actually bringing in leads? Hey business owners, your website might look great, but is it actually doing its job, turning visitors into customers? Today, I'm breaking down why most small business websites fail to convert and how you can fix yours fast. This will save you time, money, and lost leads. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, it's all about you, not your customer. Most websites talk about the business. We've been in business since 2005. We are experts. We. But guess what? Your visitors don't care until they know how you can help them. How to fix it? Make your homepage about the customer first. Use clear, benefit-driven headlines like fast, affordable roofing services to protect your home. Speak to their pain points, not your resume. Mistake number 2, no clear call to action, CTA. Many sites hide the CTA or make it confusing. What do you actually want people to do? Call, book, get a quote. How to fix it? Put one clear, standout CTA above the fold. Examples: call now for free quote, book a consultation. Make it easy, obvious, and everywhere on your site. Mistake number 3, slow, cluttered, or mobile-unfriendly design. Most small business owners ignore mobile users, but 70% of traffic is on mobile. If your site is slow, hard to navigate, or cluttered, people bounce. How to fix it? Make sure your website loads in under 3 seconds. Use clean, mobile-first design. Simplify menus, use clear buttons, and test your site on your own phone. What's the experience like? Quick pro tip: add trust signals, customer reviews, before and after photos, certifications, and guarantees. These build instant trust and reduce hesitation. Your website should work as hard as you do. If it's not converting, it's costing you. And the good news? These fixes aren't complicated, but they make a big difference. Need help? At Engage, we help small businesses like yours get conversion-ready websites fast. Engage, your business, our expertise.